Meaning of follow.
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 Follow. Follow can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it means to go after or come after someone or something, to conform to a rule or guideline, or to track the progress of something. In terms of social media, to follow someone means to subscribe to their updates and receive them in your feed. The result of following someone can lead to gaining information or insight, building relationships, or staying up to date on news or developments related to the person or topic being followed.